Making money with typing skills involves various opportunities. Freelancing. Offer typing services on freelance platforms. Transcription, data entry, and content creation are in demand. Transcription. Convert audio or video content into written text. Join transcription platforms or freelance as a transcriber. Data entry. Enter data into spreadsheets, databases, or systems. Many businesses require accurate data management. Content writing. Write articles, blog posts, or web content for clients. Strong typing skills are essential for efficient writing. Virtual assistant. Assist businesses remotely by handling tasks like email management, scheduling, and typing documents. Online service. Participate in online service and data input tasks for research companies. Ebook creation. Offer ebook formatting services for authors. Proofreading. Proofread documents and correct errors.